Come with us to Puerto Rico and I will share all of my tips and tricks that I learned on our family vacation in Puerto Rico. We will talk about passports, languages, money, so many things that you will find useful if you are planning a trip to Puerto Rico. Let's go.
Welcome to VO's Travel.
Where to go and what to see with kids.
Headed to Puerto Rico? Let me tell you all about it so that you are prepared. Puerto Rico is a U.S. territory, so therefore you do not need a passport. Because of that, you can use your normal United States money. If you plan on staying in the old San Juan or just normal San Juan area, Uber is available and the prices are very cheap, so check that out. Also, Puerto Rico is located in the Caribbean and therefore there are hurricanes. Hurricane season is June through November, so keep that in mind. Also, in Puerto Rico is the only rainforest in all of the United States. It's called El Yunque, and you should definitely check that out. One thing to keep in mind if you'll be visiting Old San Juan is that there are a lot of cruise ships that dock in Old San Juan. Make sure to check out a website like Cruise Mapper, and they will tell you how many cruise ships, if any, will be visiting the day that you will be trekking around Old San Juan. I highly suggest choosing a day that there will not be any cruise ships. Another thing to keep in mind if you are visiting Puerto Rico is that you will have to visit a bioluminescent bay. Puerto Rico houses 3 of the 5 bio bays in the entire world. I have 2 videos telling you everything you need to know about bio bays in Puerto Rico. If you will be in Old San Juan, La Garita is an amazing restaurant that gives you perfect views of the neighborhood La Perla. Another thing to keep in mind are the photo ops. That first photo op is at the cruise port in Old San Juan, and this very famous flag is located on Calais Imperial. And if you do love photo ops, this I Love San Juan sign is located right in front of San Juan National Historical Site, the Castillo San Cristobal. A beach that you need to check out is Placita del Condado. It is a small public beach, but it has amazing snorkeling. Just feet outside of where the sand ends, you can swim and see amazing sea creatures. There's no tour needed at all. And outside that beach, they also have a little kiosk that sells pina coladas in pineapples. If you're visiting San Juan or anywhere in Puerto Rico, you need to try one of those. Okay, driving in San Juan. Gas looks really cheap, but that is per liter. If you take that cost times 3.8, that is how much it would be per gallon. If you plan on visiting any other part of the island besides San Juan, I would highly suggest renting a car, and it is very easy to do in Puerto Rico. I would suggest an all-wheel drive or 4x4 vehicle when renting in Puerto Rico because a lot of the roads can be good, but a lot of the roads have still not recovered yet from some of the recent hurricanes. So all-wheel drive is definitely needed. Another thing about renting a car is there are tolls. All rental cars are equipped with little monitors, so you do not have to stop to pay the tolls. However, the tolls are very cheap, and I think after driving around for a full week in Puerto Rico, our toll charge at the end of the week was only around $25 or $30. And you do pay that directly to the rental car company after you turn your car in. Okay, one thing we were not expecting at the airport is that you do have to go through a USDA inspection, and it looks like, from what I could tell, they just want to make sure you're not bringing any pork back into the mainland of the United States. One last thing to know is that Spanish is the main language spoken in Puerto Rico. I don't speak any Spanish at all, and neither does my family, and we didn't have a single problem speaking English with all of the people that we encountered there. So that shouldn't be a problem if you don't know Spanish. I do have a lot more videos about Puerto Rico. Check out my video on Yauco. I have a video all about Ponce. I have a video about Old San Juan and lots more tips and tricks in that video. I have a video about the best coffee farm with the most beautiful tour, a perfect private watering hole that we found. I found the best place to stay in Ponce and the best hotel in San Juan. Make sure you check those out. And last but not least, we swam through sand caves. And as always, I hope that you remember to choose joy and take all of the pictures.